Welcome! It's time to celebrate the season of tricks and treats! The sights, the sounds! Ooh, and what's this, you ask? Well, let me show you. We'll call out the spirits to socialize. After all, my friend, this is Halloween!
When you hear the requiem bell, here goes King, the spirits dwell. Restless bones and weary alive, rise the spooks of every size. Grinning ghosts come out to socialize. When the great doors creak and the tombstones quake, spooks come out for a swing and wake. Happy hospitality. This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween. Boys and girls at every age, wouldn't you like to see something strange? Come with us and you will see, it's our world of Halloween. Oh, this is Halloween, this is Halloween. Pumpkins scream in the dead of night. This is Halloween, everybody make a scene, trick or treat, till the neighbors gonna die of fright.
It's such a wicked time of year, isn't it? And I have just the spell to put us all in the mood. Lucas of Ruka winds of the Caspian Sea. Larynxus, Lysitis, Max Laryngitis, a voce to me. Now sing. Sing! Sing!
Unfortunate souls in pain, in need.
Yes.
Let it feel, well let it feel. If she doesn't scare you, no evil thing will. To see her is to take a second trial. Cruella de Vil. Seems like a spider waiting for the kill. Look out for Cruella de Vil.
Life's no fun without a good scare. Look at Halloween's magic in the air.
Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? Who's afraid of the big, big, big?
You call that magic? Move, old boy, and let Mr. Oogie kick it up a notch. Whoa! 'Cause I'm the Oogie Boogie Man. Oh, yeah. Well, all right.
And now I've saved the best for last. The Halloween Scream Along. You're all invited to scream like you're trying to wake the dead. Ah! Come on, Zero!
Everybody scream! When the quick doors creak and the tombstones break, serves them out for a swinging wake. Happy hearts, when it comes to mud and sunshine. Everybody's screaming! Everybody's screaming! Happy, happy,
Wasn't that a scream? I know you're all just dying to come back and celebrate with us again. Happy Halloween, everybody! Ah!